Singapore, that tiny island in Southeast Asia, tucked between Malaysia and Indonesia. It is proof that greatness need not be large in size. Since first gaining its independence on the 9th of August 1965, it has sprung to become a leading nation in financial, economic, and technological fields, and is today recognized as one of the most prosperous countries in the world. Not a question then whether it should be in one's travel itinerary, for there is much to see and do in this little place. Yet most people regarding it as only the commercial hub of Asia, dazzled by its skyscrapers and endless shopping malls. Forget that there is also the world of its natural species and inhabitants, who will add much more unique entries in the Traveler's Journal. For example, the Jurong Bird Park in Jurong Town, Western Singapore is a must-see. Here, 8,000 birds from 600 species reside. The entire park spans 20 hectares, placing it as the largest bird park in Southeast Asia. The perfect destination for families with children. The park offers impressive bird shows such as the Penguin Parade, the Birds and Buddies Show, and the Birds of Prey Show. With its educational entertainment, the park will allow you time to feed the birds and interact with the many different species. While it is difficult to catch a glimpse of nocturnal birds, the World of Darkness Birdhouse enables you to fully enjoy them. By reversing the lights to turn day to night, it creates nocturnal surroundings and the birds come to life. To the north of the park are over 1,000 birds flying freely in the 20,000 square meter walk-in aviary, soaring high amidst the world's largest artificial waterfall, the Jurong Falls. The water cascades down levels in this beautifully landscaped man-made rainforest, providing the perfect environment for both birds and fish. A panoramic view can be enjoyed from above the falls, and a panorail speeds through the aviary the way falcons take flight. And in the end, Metropolis Singapore also becomes haven for the humblest of creatures, almost as a reminder to the rest of the onlooking world that the sweetest songsters are often the tiniest of them all.